Hello everyone, I hope your weekend's going good for you, but I want to do this video because I've had a lot of people ask on it. I got my Taccom charging handle in the mail today. Comes on a little 6x9 envelope with this and your invoice. I actually like it so far. I've already put it on, I've actually manipulated it a few times. So I'm going to show you what I found and some of the things I did and noticed. I do like it so far, but here we go. First thing I will tell you, let me get it out of the bag, is it comes with two handles, and it would go on just like this if you were looking down the barrel. And what I have found is the charging handle with the side prongs. I didn't care for it on both sides, so I got a, let me do this. What is it? 5/32 hex key. And the cool thing about this thing, let me get this done and I'll show you. And then we'll go over the composition of it. You can move it to the bottom. So you've got one on the side, one on the bottom. So when I built mine or put it on mine, I did not like the two handle side deal. So I took the left side out, put it on the bottom. Because for me, I'll always hold the foregrip and I'll just remove the hand and charge it and then go back to it. I found that best for me. And if I wanted to use this hand, I'd rather it be on the bottom than coming back this way versus coming from the bottom. So I found a right hand handle with a center bottom handle worked best for me. This thing right here is pretty much aluminum. So if you are taking these handles in and out, be careful. Don't over tighten them. It is aluminum, and if you try to tighten it up like it was steel, obviously you're going to strip it out. And then there goes another $50 piece you're going to have to go buy. But so far, I did like it. So let me go to the gun itself. I have it all apart. So you'll see that nub right there. And there's another piece right there. That's going to connect to right there. So when you put it on, there you go. And you'll hear this. You'll hear that click. It goes right over that right there. Go down, click it. So let me put my bolt back in. We're going to put this thing completely together. So bear with me. You guys know how these come apart. So, and I have a video on that, so I'm not too caring about that. There we go. Got that. And the one thing I told you, you got to take this piece of plastic off. So when I have the gun here and I'm holding out, I find it easy to do that and go back to it, or coming down here and go back instead of into my face, because it'll come back here. My wrist is right there. If I'm up here, come up, I hit myself. So I find it better on the bottom or my right hand side. And I'll do this. Here's an empty mag, seat it in there, you go to shoot, it locks back, change out the mag. I've got a dummy round on this one, put it in there, I can grab right here, just let it go. I mean, it's that easy. I did like it. I had no problem. It's literally a 3-minute put on. But the one thing I did notice on it, and it could be because of the coating inside there, I don't know. But when I first put it on, like the other one, just put it on, I noticed it was sticking, or it was grinding or sliding on the aluminum buffer tube. And when I had it, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it a little bit right there. You can see the wear marks. I don't really care about that. But what I did, I took a little bit of gun oil, put it on that top piece right there, the face. And then I put a little bit in the charging handle because it's metal on metal like that. So I just wanted that there to help maybe wear it in a little bit easier. And then once I did the oil, it actually worked a lot better. So there you go in a nutshell. Let's put it back up here. I got the bottom one, and I've got it on my right-hand side, ejection port side. Because if I'm up here, I can just come back, which I don't have a problem doing that. Or if I want, I can come down here. Because if I do it where this is, I come back to right here, my fist is into my chin. If I'm up here in a shooting position, I didn't really care for that. So I just come back underneath or here to the back, and I can go right back to what I was doing. So there it is in a nutshell. It's really easy to put on. Just take your buttstock off, take the bolt, that spring, the buffer plug out, take that pin out so you can take your bolt out, and take the old charging handle off, put the new one on, and there you go. Fairly easy, really easy to do. So let's see what happens with your guys's. I'll give it an A grade. I really do like it. It does seem like it's going to be a lot, the functionality is going to be a lot better than that piece of plastic Smith had on it. So Taccom3G.com is where I got it. I think they were $49. Go get you one. Tim and them did an excellent job on this one. And let me know what you guys think. If you get one, please let me know.